900 E-Compressor. The future has a pulse. What you're looking at isn't just another motorcycle. It's Honda's glimpse into the future. A machine that blends electric precision with raw combustion power. Introducing the Honda V3R 900 E-Compressor prototype. A revolutionary concept, first unveiled at EICMA 2025 in Milan, Italy. The heart, a V3 engine with a digital soul. Underneath its futuristic body lies a 900cc liquid-cooled V3 engine, paired with a breakthrough technology, the E-Compressor, an electronically controlled supercharger. It's not just boosting air, it's boosting the limits of what a sport motorcycle can be. Despite its 900cc capacity, Honda claims performance equivalent to a 1200cc machine, thanks to instant torque and seamless power delivery, all controlled by next-generation electronics. P. Engineering the future. P. Every line, every bolt, every curve tells the story of innovation and agility. Upside-down forks for precision handling. Upside-down forks for precision handling and Honda's high-performance design. I will be in futuristic, muscular stance. It's made to stand out and stand for something new. Upside ref. I test the future. RX is beyond our hands. Finally, its satisfaction is unquestionable. It bridges the gap between today's roar and tomorrow's silence, proving that innovation doesn't mean losing emotion. This isn't just technology. It's Honda emotion. Engineered for the future. Page 1. In honor of what its future. The Honda V3R 900 E-Compressor prototype isn't about what's on the road today. It's about what's coming tomorrow. A V3 heart, an electric lung, and a soul that still beats like a racer. This is not just the future of Honda. This is the future of motorcycling. Page 5. Final words. The Honda V3R 900 E-Compressor prototype.